Good morning. Today we are going to discuss technology, cheeseburgers, and division. You may be wondering, what does technology and cheeseburgers have to do with dividing? So first, go ahead and sign into Clever and then click on Miss Young's page. All right, now that you're here, go ahead and find the big W where it says whiteboard and give it a click. And then scroll all the way down and you will be in my class. Now, this whiteboard is an interactive whiteboard, which means you're going to be able to write on it with your finger on the screen. And I'm going to be able to show your answers and your work on our whiteboard during whole group lesson. But first, we need to discuss two videos and discuss why cheeseburgers and division go hand in hand. All right, so now we're going to try it out with a problem. This is going to be, I can do it and you're going to watch.
But what do you do when your dividend has 3 digits, such as 859 divided by 4? That's simple. We just say, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? What do cheeseburgers have to do with division? Well, that's simple. When we say, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers, each letter represents one of the steps in the long division process. So it's to divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. Let's give it a try. Step 1, does for divide. So we're going to divide 4 into the first place value, which is the hundreds. 4 goes into 8, 2 times. Does step 2, McDonald's for multiply. Now we're going to multiply 2 times 4, which equals 8. Step 3, does McDonald's serve for subtract? So we're going to subtract 8 minus 8, which is 0. Step 4, does McDonald's serve cheese for check? Here we're going to check that our answer when we subtract is smaller than our divisor. If it is, we can move on. And yes, it is. Step 5, burgers, bring down. We're going to bring down the next place in the place value, which is the tens place. We'll bring down the 5, put it next to the 0. But what do you do now? We've already done all 5 steps. That's simple. We just start right back over again with, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? So let's keep on going. Step 1 again. Divide 4 into 5, which goes 1 time. Step 2, does McDonald's, M for multiply, 1 times 4 equals 4. Step 3, serve for subtract, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, let's keep going. Step 4, does McDonald's serve cheese? Remember, we're going to check, make sure when we subtract, our answer is smaller than our divisor. And burgers for bring down. So now we're going to bring down the ones place, bring the 9 down, put it next to the 1 to make the number 19. And here we go again. Back to step 1. Divide 4 into 19, goes 4 times. Step 2, multiply 4 times 4 is 16. Step 3. Subtract 19 minus 16, we get 3. Next step, check. 3 is smaller than 4. And step 5 is bring down, but there's nothing left to bring down. So in this case, we're going to bring up. We bring the 3 up. That is our remainder. We use a capital R for remainder 3. And you did it.
And now we're going to go with our rest of our whole group where we use our whiteboards.